In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Canva. Whether you're new to this versatile platform or just need a quick refresher, stick around as we delve into the basics of text editing on Canva. First things first, you'll need to hop over to the Canva website by entering canva.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, glance over to the upper right corner of the homepage where you'll find the login button. Click on that and you'll see several options to sign in. You can use your Google or Facebook account for quick access, or simply log in with your email. Once you're in, it's time to select the project you want to edit. This could be anything from a presentation to a social media post you have previously started. Once you've located your project, click on it to open it in the Canva editor. With your project open, your focus will now be on the text element you wish to adjust. Locate the text box on your design. You can do this easily by simply clicking or tapping on it once. This will highlight the text box, indicating it's ready for editing. Directly below the editor, you'll find a handy toolbar filled with options. This is where the real customization starts. Here you can add new text or delete existing ones. You also have a variety of options for changing the font style, adjusting the size to make your text stand out or blend in, and even altering the color to fit the vibe of your project. If you're looking for an even quicker way to edit, try double tapping on the text box. This method allows you to jump straight into editing without having to navigate away from the main editor, making your workflow that much smoother. And just like before, customization doesn't end there. The toolbar not only lets you tweak the basics, but also offers advanced formatting options like adjusting text alignment or adding effects to make the text align perfectly with your creative vision. Want to change the size or position of your text box within the design? No problem. Simply click and hold the small handles around the text box, dragging to resize. If you need to move the text box, click and drag it to the desired position within your design. This flexibility allows you to make sure everything is perfectly aligned and visually appealing. By now you should feel comfortable navigating and editing text in Canva, opening up a new world of creative possibilities. Whether you're updating text to communicate more effectively or simply experimenting with aesthetics, these tools will help you transform your ideas into beautiful designs. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.